After losing thousands of dollars to off-the-shelf bots, I decided to try something totally different, building my own. And the results, 249% and 189% returns with 60 robots trading live for months. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I update these accounts every single month and why this process makes all the difference. To start, this is the big picture process I follow when I create my strategies. We've got the build, test, verify, and then going live with full risk. The accounts I'm showing you today, this is the verify stage. This is the stage where we want to double check that the strategies we've built and that all the work that we've done up to this point produces profitable strategies before we trade them on a full risk live account. This verify step I call my strategy pool, and it is an ever-evolving account. Every single month, it looks totally different because every single month I find new strategies and I add them to the strategy pool, and I review all the strategies that are trading and I remove the ones that are underperforming. This is a live account, so I know that there's slippage, commissions, and swaps, real trading conditions, not fake demo accounts. So what I'm going to show you today is what's currently in the strategy pool. We won't see the strategies that were removed last month because they were taken out, but we will go through the current pool and see what's not working and remove the crap strategies. Step 1, we need to connect our account to FX Blue. Here I've got my MetaTrader terminal, and you can see I've got a whole bunch of different windows. One of the windows I do have FX Blue already set up and syncing. Once you've got your account linked up to FX Blue, up the top, you'll see the option to download your trades in Excel. So I'm going to do that for the 2 strategy pools that I have, which gives me 2 files for both my strategy pools. And if I open them up, they look something like this with all the trades that have been executed on this account. Now we're moving to step number 2. We're going to go back and re-backtest all our strategies. You can do this a number of ways, like using the MetaTrader backtester, but instead what I'm going to do is find the SQX files I used to create these strategies. So here are all my strategies, nice and neat in a folder, all 64 strategies. I'm going to open up Strategy Quant and go over to the retester and select load all my 64 strategies. They will all appear in the data bank down below, and if I click into any one of these, double clicking, it will open up the top, and you can see according to the dates, this was created almost a year ago, back in April 2025. I want to see how this strategy has performed since it was created. So I go over to strategy config, select apply strategy to retester, click yes, and then go over to the data tab, and we're going to change that to today's date. Since today is 2026, February, and if I go down a little bit more, you can add some more granularity to your testing. So I'm going to remove in sample, and the last out of sample bit was from about April, I think it was. Let's go with that. Make sure it's selected, go over to progress and rerun it. Once the test is done, we'll double click on it and head over to the equity chart. You can see on the top right now, there is an out of sample bit. So all this was the data we used to create our strategy with, and the out of sample, if I highlight it, it will now show me all the trades that has occurred according to the backtest since it was created. You can do this process manually for every single strategy that you have in the data bank, or you can create your own custom project that will automatically do the retest for you. I've gone ahead and rerun the retest for all 64 strategies. And if you look at the green bits, you can see there are some that are doing well and some that are not doing well, which is perfectly normal. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to SQX format. So now I've got 2 folders, one with the orders from my live trading from FX Blue, and on the right hand side I've got the retested strategies from Strategy Quant. Now we're at step 3, using Quant Analyzer to do the matcher for us. Here I've got the Pro version, which comes with a Strategy Quant Ultimate Pack, and today we're going to use the compare results function. You will see 2 folders as input. The first one I've put my FX Blue folder, and the second one is the one containing all my SQX results. And notice here, match my magic number. This is important because I have so many strategies. I identify them using a magic number. Let's head back to my MetaTrader platform, and on the left-hand side, you can see the way I've named all my strategies. You've got SQ for strategy quant. I've got the symbol, the time frame, and then the random number that strategy quant assigns to it. This is the number I use as the magic number. So on the screen here, you can see I've got 24194. If I press F7 to open up the settings, you can see for this one, the magic number is 24194, which also relates to this trade here, 24194, which I know belongs to this particular expert advisor. And when the file name matches and the magic number matches, we can use this compare step. So let's let Quant Analyzer do the matching for us. In step 4, we are going to compare the live versus the backtest results. 7 seconds later, it is done. So let's head over to the portfolios tab. And if you select one, let's pick this one, which seems to be doing okay. Double click on it. If it doesn't open, head over to the Analyze tab. And now we want to go over to the equity chart. And instead of portfolio, we want to look at sub-equities only. So the red is the live trading results from my FX Blue, and the green is the backtest results from Strategy Quant. You can see for this particular strategy, it is fairly comparable, both backtest and live trading results on the USD Japanese yen pair 1 hour time frame are very similar. So for me, I would keep this one in my strategy pool. Let's look at a few more examples. Let's pick this other one, which has 25 trades, made $78. And you can see this one is slightly more different, but overall it does seem to be moving the same. We've got up periods, down periods. There does seem to be missing a trade here from the live account, and that does exist in the backtest, but I'm not too worried about missing 1 or 2 trades. Overall, it does seem still very similar. Let's pick this one next, which is a loser, losing $41. And here we can see the live trading since October 2025. It is in profit, but the equity curve of the live trading versus strategy quant is very, very different. So I'm going to remove this one from my strategy pool. This one is called Pound Japanese Yen H1 0.1929, and that is in strategy pool number 2. Step 5, we're going to remove the strategy from the test account. So back on my MetaTrader platform running on my VPS, I have found 0.1929 Pound Japanese Yen. Before I close this one, I'm just going to double check if there are any open trades. So I can sort by the magic number 1929. Yes, there is currently an open trade of $76 trading on 0.1 lots. And I noticed this one has been opened for a few months now, since November of 2025. Even though this strategy is profitable, I'm going to close this trade and close off this expert advisor, so it is no longer in my strategy pool. Now that the dud strategies have been removed, time for me to add new strategies to this account for testing. So watch this video right here where I show you the exact process I use to build and test my strategies.